Welcome back. We learned about adapters and ListView. We succeeded in creating this application that uses simple list item 1 layout as a template for every item in this list view. If we open the simple list item 1, we can see it only contains this text view. And this layout is built-in layout in Android. If I need to inflate my own and my custom layouts, what we need to do? It's very simple. I want from you to focus with me. I'll create a new layout here and I'll name it as my custom layout. Click OK. And here go split mode. And you can see it's an empty constraint layout. No views here. I'll start creating a text view, match parent, wrap content, ID, text view custom, and the size would be 36 sp. Text would be item, margin left 40p, margin right 40p, and click on this item and infer the constraints. And change the height of this constraint layout to wrap content. And here we go. This is the layout of my new items. I'll change the color of this text in order to distinguish it from the built-in layouts. I'll select black and I can change it from here. I can change green, yellow, red, and whatever. I'll change it to red. Okay? This is our custom layout. I want to display the items of the operating systems in a template using a text view with red color and 36 sp as text size. Now, let's move to the main activity. You are thinking of changing this layout to our layout. So let me change it for you. r.layout.mycustomlayout. Run the application and here we go. The application crashes. Why? Because we didn't initialize the items, which is the text view. And here Android is confused where I should inflate these items. There are no places for these items. To solve this problem, I need to create a class that acts as a custom adapter. I don't need to use this adapter, array adapter anymore. I need to create my own and custom adapter in this application. So create a new Kotlin class. I'll name it as my custom adapter. Click OK. And this class will extend from base adapter. Here, base adapter. And inside the constructor of this custom adapter class, I need to pass private val context, which is a context object. I need to pass it from the main activity, and a private val items. It's of type list of string. The base adapter is an abstract class that provides a basic implementation of the adapter interface. It's intended to be extended to create a custom adapter for populating data into views like ListView, GridView, and other adapter view widgets. In the next video, we're going to implement the methods that are inherited from this base adapter.